Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to talk about the best alternative to Figma. So the first one that you can check out is called PenPod. So the PenPod is the most popular open source free alternative to Figma. PenPod is to Figma what Photopea is to Photoshop. I don't know if you know what is Photopea. Photopea is like a limited version of Photoshop in a way, but most core things you are going to find in Photopea. Okay. So you have no file limits, even the drafts on free plan, self-host option available. There is no need to handle your token through the third-party tools. But the cons, the prototype system isn't quite as sophisticated as in Figma. There are only 5 interpolation curves in PenPod compared to the 13 in Figma. Even if it's beta phase, still catching up to Figma's feature set. So it's not so big as Figma, alright? And then also the smaller plugin ecosystem comparing to Figma. Now, another one that I really like is Lunacy. So this is the one that you can also check out, hackable Figma alternative design platform. So cross-platform vector editor for UI, UX and web projects with native sketch file editing. So it's fast, native design app for Windows. The application feels like Figma but is native version. Built-in icons, illustration and photos, can open and edit sketch files natively. Now the cons has lack of additional plugins and libraries comparing to Figma, cloud features less robust than Figma and smaller community. Now then another one is also another one called Visily. So Visily you can check out too. So the Visily is a free design tool for creating mockups, wireframes, prototypes and more. The free version has all the advanced key features you will need. So this is Figma is for more experienced designers with advanced capabilities, and it's less powerful for complex UI design and limited advanced prototyping. So I just wanted to mention primarily these 3 as kind of the alternatives to Figma, and hope this video helped you at least a little bit, and have a great day and goodbye.